Okay, so this is what you should be working on Friday. All of your other assignments should be done. I know a lot of you do not have access to a printer, but we can't stop doing schoolwork. So you are more than welcome to write it down on paper, and I did it like so. That's my example. How I did it, and it may take a little time if you have to do it that way, but it'll be worth it in the end. So on this assignment, I don't care if you put a X. I know most of us don't read the directions anyways, but I don't really care if you do that. So how I did it, because it can get kind of confusing when you're doing these examples down here and you have to justify your answers. So I decided to color code my different things, all right? And that's for when we get down there. So we're going to look at our variables here. So distance. Does distance have anything to do with speed? Well, yep, because we do distance over time, right? And that speed equals distance over time. So yes, it's included. Distance in velocity, well, velocity deals with speed, right? So yes, it does. And acceleration, well, if we are speeding up or slowing down, our distance is going to change, right? So we're going to put a check there also. All right, so that's how you're going to do those. You look at time and you're going to do the same, easy peasy, right? So now down at the bottom, this is where it gets a little tricky. Okay, so you're going to have your examples. These are the examples, and you are going to decide, is speed talked about in this? Is velocity? And is acceleration? So that's where the color coding came in for me, and my brain did not work. So the first one says geese fly 23 miles per hour south when they migrate for the winter. So I know that miles per hour is a unit of speed, right? So I'm going to highlight that, my speed color. And then south, that is a direction, right? And I know direction has to do with velocity. So that's my colors. And now under speed, I can just write 23 miles per hour. That's my proof. And velocity, my proof is they're headed south. All right, now the motorcycle slowed down as it approached a yield sign. Okay, so slowed down, that's going to be a change, right? So I'm going to do, it also started going slower, so this is how I'm going to do it, because we know that it slowed down, but going slower is a change. So we can put on speed. It slowed down, and slowed equals a change, so that's also acceleration. All right, and I'll do one more. So a snail crawls 2 meters in 2 hours. Well, that's distance and time, right? So that is speed. 2 meters in 2 hours. So that's what you're going to do. You can take a picture of it, submit it whenever you are done, and we will be going over this on Monday when most of you will hopefully return. Take your time on it, really look at it. When you can do this and you can do it correctly, then you have a good understanding of speed, velocity, and acceleration. And if you can't remember the stuff well, get this back out, or look at your screenshots or whatever you have. Go watch my video, that video, and get this worksheet done with that. It will help you. All right. See you guys later.